Hello everyone and welcome back to our third video. This video is based on the effects of overfishing towards the Papua New Guinea marine biodiversity. Firstly, let us define fishing. What is fishing? Fishing is the human activity by which fish is caught through various methods for consumption, sales, or done as an activity such as sports. Thus leading to two questions. What is overfishing and what causes overfishing? As attested by the World Wildlife Fund (WWF), overfishing happens when more fish are caught than the population can even replenish itself through natural reproduction. There are various ways that leads to overfishing, and they are: 1. Lack of fisheries management. Due to ineffective rules or regulations, there has been overfishing and unsustainable fishing practices. 2. Unsustainable fishing methods. This includes the use of nets, similar to trawling. This is a very unsustainable fishing practice because sea creatures of any kind and sizes are caught, and some are even deprived of the freedom to grow and reproduce. 3. Illegal and unregulated fishing acts. According to WWF, from about 20 to 50% of world's catch is mainly from illegal fishing, and these include illegal and unregulated fishing activities that are not given permission or approval from the government. 4. Consumption. Another factor of overfishing is human consumption. Due to the rise in population, there has been a great demand for food, and companies see this as a great business opportunity as well. 5. Economic need. Fishing is also an economic activity that generates billions of revenue into a country. Therefore, it is a market gap and economic need. This, however, disrupts reproduction and growth. 6. Small-scale, artisanal, or subsistence fishers. Subsistence fishing or small-scale fishing is common in most coastal areas of Papua New Guinea, with the use of different methods which include dynamite, kite fishing, weirs, or bamboo traps. The most commonly used method by the coastal people is the darish root. The darish root contains rotenone, which is tremendously poisonous to the fish and invertebrates and also the marine biodiversity. Overfishing can greatly impact the marine ecosystems. When overfishing occurs, it creates an imbalance, eroding food webs and chains that results in food insecurity and also leads to loss of marine biodiversity. In control or resolution to this, the Fisheries Management Act 1998 FMA sets out the roles and responsibilities that are to be carried out by the National Fisheries Authority or NFA. First of all, the Act gives permission to NFA to manage, control, and regulate all of Papua New Guinea's fishery resources from the coast, offshore, or inland. Moreover, the Act also makes acceptations for customary uses or traditional practices. Another body incorporated from the PNG fisheries is the Fishing Industry Association, or FIA, which was emerged in January 1991. This was done to offer fishing-related businesses the opportunity to voice out their ideas, concerns, and opinions in a formal way relating to the development of the sector. Since the establishment of FIA, it has been influential in the development of fisheries policy in PNG. The association is a success in terms of tax removal and levies and concession granting related to the industry. On a small scale, there are individuals that address the issue of overfishing. However, some we may know and hear, and some we may not. How exactly do they help by addressing this issue? Here are some ways. Elders putting restrictions on certain areas to fish, basically having protected areas. Limiting the number of fish to be caught, discouraging dynamite fishing, and encouraging spear fishing. Overfishing also has its negative impacts on the people itself and the environment. Economically and socially, it will affect the people of a nation, where people can lose their jobs, which will affect many families and communities. And when this happens, productivity level decreases and less is produced, leading to another major issue, which is food crisis. Funny how one problem leads to another. Can you see the problem? Therefore, as elite to educated beings, we are to practice and advocate for sustainable management practices either on land, sea, or air. Do something now, or it is too late. Be responsible and start acting right. Thank you and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.